Pickleball players and all my pickleball players who are leaders. Dr. K here, and I'm coming to you from my hospital room. Yeah, you heard it right, my hospital room. I'm here at St. Joseph South waiting to find out if I need to have one or two back surgeries as a result or after being rear-ended by an 18-wheeler last November. Now, this is on top of a hip replacement that I had done last May, so it's been a tough journey. But just like pickleball, life has a way of teaching us some great lessons. Now, in pickleball, it's about navigating the unexpected. You can't control your opponent's shots, just like you can't control what life throws at you. What you can control is how you respond, right? So do you get frustrated and give up, or do you pause, refocus, and adjust your game plan? When life pushes you off balance, like it did with me between the surgeries and the setbacks, you have to dig deep, find your inner resilience, and push forward. And that's one of the lessons we can learn from pickleball. The game teaches us that obstacles don't define us, it's how we respond to them. In pickleball, when you're backed into a corner, you learn to adapt. Maybe it's a lob you weren't expecting or an aggressive dink shot. The key is to keep playing. And that's how I'm approaching this moment. I'm staying in the game, finding ways to adapt, and working through the challenges one step at a time. So, whether you're on the court or facing challenges off it, remember this: obstacles are opportunities in disguise. They force us to grow and find the strength we didn't know we had. I'll keep you all updated on my journey, but in the meantime, I challenge you to think about the obstacles you're facing. What lessons can you learn from them? And how can you adapt your game plan? Now, in closing, this is Dr. K saying, lead with passion, inspire with dedication, and foster an environment where everyone feels welcome.